everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my May 2020 update for Supernatural Pan Interrupted. This is a panning project that I am doing with my girl Amanda. We are panning a product for every episode that has ever aired for Supernatural. So yes, it's going to take a long time. We started this in 2018. August 19th, 2018 to be exact, and yeah, we're on season 3 right now, so it's going to take a long time, and I'm okay with that. I like what I call forever projects. Not that this will take forever, but it will feel like forever by the time we are done, and I like that. We just kind of going along, doing our thing, staying in our lane, and I'm enjoying it, and I believe Amanda is enjoying it as well. We have had other people that have joined into this. We've had other people that have done like spin-offs of this type of project with their favorite TV show, which I think is pretty darn cool. And yeah, it's panning in its most basic element. All right, I'm going to have Amanda listed down below if you want to go check her out, and you should, because she's awesome. And she's done some crazy things lately, and you need to go check her out because you need to see said crazy things. All right, I have an empty, well, it is not technically an empty. It is something that I hit goal on, so I'm very happy. So it's something I can roll out, and I will be rolling a new product in for the next episode in line. The one that I have goal met, whatever you want to call it, is for All Hell Breaks Loose, part 1, and that is... The product that I picked was for the Yellow-Eyed Demon. He shows up a lot because he's a bad dude. And I, of course, picked a yellow product. This is the ColourPop Honey Palette, which is, it's really starting to wear off, but I still know what it is. I was attempting to hit pan on Dandy, which is this shade right here. And I have done that. And I enjoyed this. I was actually getting frustrated by this shadow for a while because these pans are deep. ColourPop is a very good price point, and they give you a lot of product, a lot of good quality product for very inexpensive. It's made in the USA. It's cruelty-free. I mean, it is awesome. I'm loving everything about ColourPop. Everything that I've tried, I've liked so far. It's a good product right here. So, yeah, I did finally hit pan. I'm very excited about that, and I'm excited to be rolling something else in. All right, let's move on to my watery eyes for my allergies. What I have in here still that is rolling over, and the one product that I'll be rolling in. Going back all the way to Hollywoodabbleon. This product, I should have put something else in its place, but alas, what can you do? It's history at this point. For Hollywoodabbleon, I chose the Starlooks Gem Pencil in Ultra Olive. It is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it needs to be sharpened because I actually just poked my skin with it. But I don't use it enough, as much as I should. You can see that it definitely needs to be sharpened. I'm trying to get to the point where I use it and sharpen it enough that this gold line disappears. That's going to take me a while. It's probably going to take me till the end of the year, especially since I'm working on the amethyst version of this as well. And that one has to get completely finished this year, so I've kind of been prioritizing amethyst. Not that I like it more. I like them equally. They're both colors that I absolutely love, and when they're done, I would like to have them in my collections again someday. But I am prioritizing amethyst over Ultra Olive. That's just the way it is. And I also feel like this olive is definitely more of a fall color for me. It can be worn all year long, but I like gravitate more towards it in the fall time. So I will use it here and there, but don't expect like me to get on here in the next update or two and say I've met goal, because that's not going to happen. All right, moving on to Folsom Prison Blues. Yeah, that is when they are in prison, and I chose, you know, Prison Orange in this Blues-Profusion Eyes Palette Depot here. This is Terra Cotta, and it is getting thinner, especially up in this area and around here. I have repressed it once. I am hoping to get to the point where I actually have to repress it again by the next update. I love this. I love to wear it, but orange is not something I can wear every single day. I'm not afraid of color. Y'all know I am not afraid of color, and except for blue. I'm not afraid of it. I just don't like it, but I just can't wear orange every single day. It can't be done. I mean, I guess it could be done, but I don't want it to be done. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I think if I can get that to the point of needing to repress it again by the next update, then hopefully the update afterwards, it will be done. That is what I'm hoping. 2 updates on the orange. Crossing my fingers. All right, moving on to the Magnificent 7, which is all about the 7 deadly sins. I chose a sin because it's what I had in my collection. That's why I have this particular eyeshadow, which is Lust. It is from the Alter Ego Temptress palette, which is the ABH Sultry dupe. This is a repress, and part of it got frankened. So I'm going to show you the rest of the franken once my camera adjusts. This is it. This is the rest of the franken. This part is definitely going to be done. It's going to be done this week. I know it's going to be done this week. I am filming this a couple days early. By the time you see it, or by the time you see this video, it's probably already going to be done. So that leaves me with just this portion of the pan, and I would like to have pan on this again by the next update, and much like the orange, and I like to wear these together. They definitely complement one another. If I can hold them up. I'm not that coordinated, but I like them together. So I'm hoping that they will finish about the same time. So major pan, maybe needing to repress again by the next update, and then finishing off both of them the following update. That is my goal. All right, moving on to the bedtime stories episode. I chose something that I use at bedtime at night, and that is the Life Essential Skincare Retinol Advanced Repair Serum. It's the 2.5%. I was at this line last time. I am down to here, which means this will be done by the next update, and I'll be happy about that. I do like it, and I like the consistency of it, but I have so much skincare. I just need to get through it. Be nice just to get stuff done, get stuff out, so I can roll new stuff in to play. All right, the last one is the, pardon me, gotta have my water. Red Sky at Morning. This was a good episode. This was a really good episode in which people are just randomly drowning on land, which makes no sense. Someone drowns in a shower stall, someone drowns in a car, and some people, you know, it's not good. If they see the big ship, whether it's really there or not, we're not sure. But if you see the big ship, it's coming for you, and you're going to drown in like weird places on the grounds. It's bizarre. But it's such an amazing episode at the same time. So I played off of the water aspect of it, and I chose this First Aid Beauty, or Fab, Coconut Water Cream. This packaging, well, it seems like it would be really easy to deal with. I have such oily skin that I have to be very cautious how much of a moisturizer I put on my skin, otherwise it's too heavy. And I found that I always got little air bubbles, and it would like spit out more product than I wanted to put on my face, and then I didn't want to like suck it back in after it's been on my hand. Y'all know how it goes. So I ended up putting it in this little container. It's an old Josie Marin skincare container. That is what is left of that. I do think I can probably have this done by the next update, because it's to about here, and the bottom actually starts right here. So I think I can probably have this done, but now I can get exactly the amount I want, and, you know, I don't have to fight with this packaging. So those are all my rollovers. Now I have to bring something in for the next episode, which is Fresh Blood. Yeah, it's about vampires. And not the sparkly, glittery kind of vampires. These are much more sinister, but it's vampires, so we're just going to go with it. I am playing off of the name of the episode, which is Fresh Blood. So I've chosen something that's red and liquidy, like blood, and I am going with a nail polish. This is the Revlon Cream in Raven Red. Looks like that right there. You can see the colors, and this is where I'm starting right here. Has a ton of usage on it, so I think I can make good progress on this if I'm really using it. And this time of year, for some reason, I love red on my toes. Like any time of year, I like red on my toes, but sandal season is upon us. Now that the freezing has stopped, I really want to put this on my toes. So 2, maybe 3 updates, and that one should be done. I think that should be about right. And hopefully I will have, well, I know I will have an empty for you by the next update. Hopefully 2. That is my goal. And again, this portion of the Franken Lust will be done. And yeah, we're gonna play it by ear, see how this next month goes. I'm better with my makeup and everything now. I'm getting back in my groove, so I'm pretty hopeful that my next update will have some empties for you. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up. Again, go check out Amanda. She's down there, of course she is. Check out what she did. If you have not been watching her lately, go check her out. You'll be amazed at some changes that she has made in her life. It is very, very entertaining and fun, and I love it. And I'm a little jealous, but you know, it is what it is. All right, wrapping it up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.